Hey everyone, I'm Mike Mello, broker associate and co-owner at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today, we're in Palms at Serenoa, and we're showing you a bunch of different model homes they have here. This is a great active adult community, which means 55 and up. And they do have a wonderful amenity center with lots of activities to do over there. So the house that we're going to show you is called the Desmond model. It's 1,707 square feet. It's got 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and it's laid out pretty well. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a tour of this and show you the home. But if you haven't done already, make sure you like our videos and subscribe to our channel. We definitely appreciate it. So let me go ahead and talk about the front. Now, the front, we do have the 2-car garage over here. We'll see that when we go in, and then a nice little window, and then of course the doors over here on the left instead of the center of the house. A lot of these houses you have the door in the center, so a little bit of a unique design. We come in, we have some nice stonework here, which shows nice over the landscaping, and of course we have a glass door with a smart ring doorbell, and then also a combo lock going in. So let me go ahead and go inside, and I'll meet you in there. All right, so here we are in the entryway. Now, as we come in, we see that we are in a little hallway. We have some ceramic tile going through, and then we have a bunch of doors. I haven't opened up yet, so we're gonna actually explore these together and see what we have going on. So the first door here is already open. This is where the laundry room would be, which has got your washer and your dryer area. So this is nice, it's up in the front of the house, away from the bedroom. So that's pretty cool. You can do your laundry at night without having to worry about the noise. Let's see what's behind these doors. So this door here, this will be the actual garage if you wanna go in there and check that out and see it. So you have your 2-car garage, plenty of space for 2 cars. And then we have one more door here, maybe the air handler. What do you think, air handler or closet? Air handler. So we have the air handler here. Oh yeah, because there is the other door right there. That's probably where the coat closet is. So wow, you got like 4 doors as soon as you come in. So yeah, this is your coat closet. Even got the hangers there all ready to go. A little pillow at the top. So anyway, but we come and we open up now to the main living area. Sort of like a long, narrow area. It's not too narrow, but it's definitely very open as far as soon as you come past that coat closet. We have the kitchen area, and then we have our dining room, and we have our living room. We also have a little sitting area over there. So let's go ahead and talk about the kitchen first. We have this really nice countertop. It's got sparkles in it. You might not be able to see it on the camera, but as you move things around, you see little sparkles going on there. Very like a subway tile backsplash, really nice and higher end cabinets. We do have the Whirlpool refrigerator, and then right behind me is the pantry. Let me go ahead and open that and see what's in the pantry. It's got pretty good space. What are those, Honey Nut Cheerios or something? They got popcorn. We tried to get into one of these earlier. I think they were mints, and I couldn't get. They have it glued, so because if not, someone would probably eat these. Even if they're like 5 years old, someone would still eat them. So they glued them. They got smart. So I think I went to one, and the sales rep's like, I can't believe someone just ate that. Those have been here for like 5 years. But anyway, back to the house. Here is more cabinets. You have the Whirlpool microwave, you have your Whirlpool range, and then on the other side we do have a nice Whirlpool dishwasher, your sink with 2 different compartments, and then of course more cabinetry going through. They did win a Parade of Homes award for outstanding feature, so I guess this kitchen probably won an award for being outstanding feature for this price point. So oh, did I tell you about price points? This one here, so these homes are built, and they sort of build them and then they pick the colors. So and then they actually sell them when everything's nearly ready to go. You're looking at about the mid 300s for this home right now, and this is October 2021. We've had some crazy price increases in the last year, so if you're watching this in 2022, 2023, make sure you contact us and we can tell you what the current price is, because the prices can change. It can change tomorrow, so we can definitely get you accurate prices when you are in the market. Just give us a call, 407-487-3030. Be down there below as well, and also in the description. So anyway, enough of that dining room stuff, but maybe we should go, let's go this way first. Let's go to our little sitting room. So nice little space here. I love how they did the accent. So this is like, if you like the blues and golds together, how they have the gold frames with the blue stripes in the back, sort of makes it feels like royalty, I don't know, in here. They even have that same, they have this gold sculpture here with these blue cobalt bottles. I do like the blue cobalt. Sandy's looking at it because she does her little business where she takes bottles like this and makes them really cool. We'll put the link below on that as well, help Sandy out. And she sells like really cool design bottles, which would be great for accents for your house. So anyway, yeah, so this is it. They have a corkboard thing over here, DRH. DR Horton. It's the builder's DR Horton. I was like, what's Dr. H? Who's Dr. H? But it's DR Horton. So anyway, they do have a little closet over here also. You could probably close this in and make it into an extra bedroom, but I probably get a different model design if you wanted a third bedroom than using this one. So we come this direction. Let's go ahead and do the bathroom first. Bathroom's got that same sort of counter that we saw in the kitchen with really cool sparkles that, like, as you move, they sort of sparkle like it's in some sort of glitter into it. Nice cabinet work, and then of course they have the tub and tile and toilet. So be the reason someone smiles today. Are you smiling? So anyway, let's go this way. And here is bedroom number 2. Looks like a full-size bed. Got little cabinets in the thing. Got a cool little butterfly picture that's crooked up there. Look at that, it's crooked. Let's try that. Hopefully it won't fall on me. Is that better? All right, there we go. So you're welcome, dear Horton. Oh, and we do have a closet right here. So here's a closet, yeah, good sized closet. And let's go ahead and show you that dining room and also the family room area. So here we come. This will be a good view from the dining room from that direction. It's currently set up for, it's got the same blues and bronze colors. Whoever designed this house likes the blues and the bronze and blues and golds. We do have the 3 windows above there, which give you some really good natural light and also has some privacy. And then we continue down, and here comes to the living room. They do have, they have blues here too, blues and golds. So blues and golds go out through the whole house. Cool little area. And then over here, they did do some upgrades here. This probably would not come included with the home, but they have obviously this long piece of granite and of course storage where you can put your TV, and they do the wallpaper and these floating shelves. So a lot of the stuff you probably do after the fact, and you just have like a basic wall here. Over behind me is going to be the patio area. This one's probably got one of the smallest pools I've ever seen. Look at that pool. Have you seen? You haven't seen this pool either yet. Sandy's not seen. What do you think about that pool? Small, huh? It's like a bathtub. It's like a jacuzzi with a water fountain. If it's a jacuzzi, actually it might be a jacuzzi. That's what it is. It's not a pool, it's a jacuzzi. So look at me. I'm here going, that's a small pool, and it's actually a really cool jacuzzi. It's like a high-end jacuzzi. Anyway, so of course, here would have you have your patio with your covered patio, but then from their point on, all that would be extra as far as the jacuzzi, the extra pavers. So that wouldn't be included in that sort of price I was telling you about with the mid 300s. That's all above and beyond that price. So let's go ahead and go here. This is the primary bedroom. Again, it's blues and golds, right? Blues and golds. King size bed. You got plenty of space on your side. Nice royal blue back wall, accent wall with the gold artwork. And of course we have gold frames along here as well. Even the curtains have blue and white. And check, we even have the cobalt color candelabras. Is that what they call it? Candle holders, candelabras there. And of course the mirror. So going this direction, we go into, you're good like this, there's lots of mirrors. So here is the bathroom. We have a sink here, we have a sink over here, so you have your 2 separate areas. They even have the Q-tips all staged up there for you. Mirror, light fixtures, and then let's see here, behind here we do have a linen closet, and then we probably have we got the regular closet back in this direction. So, actually it's a pretty spacious. This would be a good hiding, like if you're playing hide and seek with your kids, this would be a great spot. You could just go like back here and they wouldn't even know you follow me around. Great. So anyway, enough of silliness for today. But we come over here and this is the shower. You got your chrome frame and also the light, a window above there for some natural light. It's just completely blue right now because we're having a beautiful day here in Florida. It's beautiful, like 80 degrees. This is the best time of year, October. And then here is the amazing water closet, plenty of space on either side. They did some nice gray walls. So anyway, that is it. So if you enjoy these videos, we do have a couple other channels. We have luxury homes. I'm featured on that channel. We just explore homes that are like usually about $1 million and up. I have some $5 million homes, $7 million homes on that channel. We do a little bit more detailed reviews with a lot more details on the different features. So follow that channel, it'll be below. Also, we have Casas Nuevas. If you like to watch these in Spanish, you'll see Jonathan and Juliana over there. They're awesome presenters on YouTube as well. Check them out. And that's it. I want to thank you all for watching. And if you haven't done so already, I'd highly appreciate it with a subscribe. So take you all later. Take care. Bye-bye.